Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Get to know political economy and concept economy political. Introduction. Political economy is a cluster of the theory based on understanding of the interdependence between economic and politics. Economy and politics interact in many ways in terms of resource allocation, income distribution, stabilization. Economy and politics are inseparably the decision maker, actor of economy. Political economy system, the decisions taken by the actor and therefore the development and outcome of the entire system depend on the rules and institutions that make up the basic framework as a perspective or paradigm. A couple is a way of looking that explains social phenomena. This paradigm can also be understood as a flaw in the social sense. Social sense learners learn who as the predict understand very well the attachment between economic interference and political interference. The two are once again inseparable. So far, we have found similarities between economy politics as and define economy politics predict in essence they are both anti economy politics as a predicts phenomena macro development of the study of ecofoso the tense of predict to focus on the state and economy issue, for example how the economy is organized by the state and how the public is positioned in the face of the economic and political interests of the owners of power. Today, I like to discuss about political economy and type of approach. Content. Firstly, political science also runs wide three standard concepts, namely politics as a government authority that allocates authoritative allocation of values and public. Politics as a government is clearly its job to provide director and issue regulates. Here, the nature of the government seeks to provide guidance and intervene so that it collides with the nature of the economy that believe the market can work independently. Secondly, more politics also allocates value. The concept of value in politics is not as high as value in economy, which is often interpreted as efficiency at profit. In politics, values work based on norm that life is associated, such as the need for equitable development. Here the concept of justice outperform efficiency when the latter is achieved by creating inequality. Thirdly, then politics as a public means that the output of political value is always a public concern in contrast to the economy that connotes private. So what's the description? between economic and politics does have different assumptions. So combining economy and politics analysis simulate slowly is an effort that will never work. Finally, or last but not least, in political economy there are two type approach, namely the public choice approach and the neo-Marxist approach. Public choice approach, in the approach of public choice empires it analysis which is direct to actor who are considered actor in economic and political activities. The public choice approach can be used to study the behavior of political actor and can also be used as a guide in effective public policy making. However, because of its longitudinal nature, which is a necessity of research methods based on creating periods of relative long periods, so that result obtained from the models of public choice will vary from country to country. And neo-Marxist approach, the neo-Marxist approach emphasizes oh sorry em, emphasizes a thorough analysis of the importance of the macroeconomic aspect of both systems, namely the economic and the political system. This approach has a model that seeks to compare explicitly or directly as highlighting Froude's difference between countries both in the field of welfare, economic growth, and social class independency in society. In conclusion, the political world is very influential on the economic progress of the nation or region. In economic development, it is very important to consider political risks and their effect on economic survival. So many presentation from me. Thank you.